Hi guys, I think. Yep. I'm going to clean up a bit here. Excuse me. My light is drooping. Down there. And of course I could do this off camera, but what the heck? I'm recording video diaries, so at least you can see me clean up once in a while, if you can see anything at all. I've been working with my it's a Mustang. Been making a red tail. Give you some more light here, so there we go. Right now I'm working on painting up the green color. So, but that's a in-between project, so let's put away all the junk and stuff. And that's there, that one there, and you go up here. There. Yeah, and we're gonna tilt you guys down. Now we're gonna see where I have my borders. Yep. And move everything off here so we have a clean surface. This is just a lime green cutting board from my kitchen. I pinched. Yes, a clarification. I said that this looked more like the original. What I meant with that, it looks more like the original you get when you buy the box, because that one has a rather thick lip here around the entire dish that you need to file off, and I'm actually going to file a little on the edge here, because that's where we're going to work today. It's let's see, it's Saturday and it's about 7:20 something in the morning. And I'm actually going to try to put out one episode of this one today, hopefully. Not going to have a bit of it. I think we can used a bit too much glue and I glued this one down, so the plastic's been misformed a bit, but there we go. And I have glued down, sorry if I didn't show you, the sides here have been misshapen, and here on the other side it actually went better. And as you can see, I've added the new docking port, some people say. But obviously there are escape pods in here. Unfortunately, I was a bit misguided. This side sits about, we can check here with my, this side sits a little more than 2 millimeters in. This side sits 1.5 millimeter in, so you have a bit of a visual difference there. But hopefully what I can do is I can fill out this with another piece of plastic in here. So I always get that one twisted around. Anyway, we're going to file these. And the reason why we're working on these, I'll show you when we're finished filing. That sounds okay. That's okay. This side got a bit short when I cut it, because I cut it off before I'd glued it on. The rest of these, there's about a 0.5 millimeter gap up here. The rest I cut off when I had glued them on. So and the reason I'm doing this is to hide the gap that's going around the entire ship. And I can feel the front landing gear has come loose a bit, so I need to be careful when I handle this in the future. There and there. Now, to mask off inside here, I might just take a piece of styrene and just shove it in there. Obviously not that thick, but let's see if we have something. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna work. Now, had I been smart, I should have done this before I glued these in. Sorry if you can't, if you don't see some areas I'm working on, especially when I'm holding it in the hand, but well, right now I'm just trying to get the edges as smooth as I can. That side is okay. That side. Dunk, dunk. Now obviously when I'm doing this, some of the I think I just removed one of these little squares. This one here I've filed away. This, I think it's two on this side, but overall there aren't many I've mishandled, or should I say, not mishandled but erased. And we have a bit of a gap there. Question is how much of a gap. Now I could take out some putty and put in there, and I think I actually will, because I don't want too much. Actually, we can skip the putty and try using some liquid green. Which means for the next 24 hours, I can't work with that thing. So, no, we use a bit of putty. This sounds more empty than the other. And we need a tool. Yep. Ooh, it stinks. Did I drop it? Actually, see in the other area I can add some of this. Stick. Fine. Then we do it my way. That I think will do. Now, question is, Should I try to fill out the gap up here? There. Now let's see here. There is a fingerprint on this. I guess I used a little super glue here and my finger got in the way. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a hole there. If we're still rolling, and we are, I didn't set any timer today, so I don't know how many minutes I got left. Let's see if we can move you around and show you where that hole is. And let's see. There is the hole. So I'm going to take my liquid green and a paintbrush. Do 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 do. Now, excuse me, but I'm doing this off camera. At least the beginning of it. It's a bit tricky knowing where to put this stuff, and I probably need to add maybe 3 layers. I'm gonna add a bit to the back side here. This is just so I can close any eventual gap that's on the bottom half that's been cut away before. I'm gonna check my... no, it was sealed out, so... I'm gonna let the green stuff dry for about an hour before I start poking on it, so... I'll see you in the next video.